Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw line in Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, open this Adobe Acrobat. Now choose a file and open a PDF. Then you'll find here this tools option, right? Click on tools. Then scroll down and you'll find here comment. Click on open comment. And now you will find here. Now just click on this pencil icon, drawing tool. And then click on this drawing tools and choose line. Now you can line anywhere you want. Okay, but this line isn't straight. How you can give a straight line? Choose line and you have to click on shift, then use this mouse. Now you can see a straight line. Okay, all you have to just click on shift and use the mouse. So guys, this is how you can give a line or use a line in PDF. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.